Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be discussing about the CPI, alright? But the CPI from US. Is it coming up? Is it coming lower than expected? What is going on with the inflation on US? I want to discuss this idea with you, and then I want to know your idea as well, and then I want you to put in the comments. So stay with me until the end, that I will be giving out my opinion about the CPI this week. That is gonna happen on Wednesday, if I'm not wrong. Let me check here. Yes, it's gonna happen on Wednesday, 12th of June, at least in Australia. Guys, it's very important that you subscribe to the channel. This way you help us to grow the content and to put even more content for you here on the YouTube. Give us a thumbs up on this video and share this content with your friends. This way you're showing the YouTube that you really like the content that ACY is producing, and then it will share the content with other people into the YouTube platform. Now, without further ado, please guys, if you haven't yet registered to the webinar, just go down at the description of this video. We're gonna have CPI, and plus we're gonna have one day after, we're gonna have the Fed, all right? The FOMC deciding if they will rate cut, if they will rate hold, if they will hold the rate, or most probably not, they will increase the rates about 25 basis points. Now, the main question is inflation going up on US or is inflation going down on US? Well, I have my phone here with the economic calendar, and the CPI year over year is expected to have no changes, from 3.4 last year to 3.4 as the consensus is expecting at this moment. There we have the CPI month over month as well. The consensus is 0.1% and the previous was 0.3%. So there are an expectation of a decline from 0.3 to 0.2, 0.1. There is a 0.2 decline on the month over month inflation. Now the year over year is expected to maintain itself at the same at 3.4%. Now my take on this is quite right, okay? I'm expecting a year-over-year inflation to be around 3.4, no changes, but I'm expecting a little bit uptick on the month-over-month inflation, okay? Because there's more people working, more people getting paid, they are spending more. And unfortunately, this is how it works, okay? Even now that the central bank had, had a big influence towards the forward guidance. But the most importantly is, with this release, what will the Fed do? Will the Fed cut the rates? Will the Fed hike the rates? Will the Fed hold the rates? Most importantly is that I will be discussing tonight on my webinar is the new dot plot. We're going to have the new dot plot, and we're going to have a new voting member that is very, very hawkish. So I'm very curious to see how the market will react towards this, all right? Very, very curious, to be honest. If you haven't yet watched the video about the gold, please go to the channel right now and watch the gold is melting, and you will know why gold is melting. But for today, this is it, guys. I do believe that inflation on US is hitting up even more, but the year over year is maintaining itself as the same. Most probably the Fed will pause, as 94 or 92% of the market is expecting another pause on the 13th of June. Most of the market is expecting a pause, all right? You can see on this image right here. Guys, thank you so much for watching until now. Hope everyone have a good week ahead, a good day, or a good morning, whatever time you're watching this video. See you in the next video. Ciao.